In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve the Telegram not connecting problem. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So as you can see that I have Telegram opened, I'm going to enter my phone number. And after entering my phone number, when I click on next, you will notice that I will not receive the OTP code. And as you can see that there is still no response. So in order to solve this problem, what you need to do is to download this application from the Play Store called Turbo VPN. Once the application is downloaded and installed, open it and then click on this tap to connect option. Click on OK. Now wait for a few moments. Okay, the VPN is now connected, so open Telegram again. Enter your phone number and then click on next. And as you can see that the Telegram not connecting problem has been solved. And that is all you have to do to solve this problem. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.